everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please, if you're new to this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button so you can get updates on any video we have to show you. But if you're old to this channel, we just want to say thank you for staying with us. So today we'll be showing you how to use our Chebe hair growth serum to steam your hair. It's the best way to use this growth serum for hair growth, maximum hair growth. So first of all, I just took down my twist, and my hair is a bit dry and frizzy. So before I start doing anything, I'm going to go in with our Chebe hairspray to just dampen my hair a bit and make it easy for me to work with. So you shake this properly, shake it, and I'll begin to section my hair into 4 parts. Alright guys, we're done with moisturizing the hair. So it's right now it's easier to manage, it's softer. Alright, but I'm still gonna make it softer by applying our Chebe butter, just a little bit of it. So guys, it's time to apply the Master Growth Booster to my hair. So I'm going to be applying this as though I'm applying a relaxer. This is for steaming, so I'm going to apply a good quantity because I want to soak my hair in this product. Okay, then for the normal daily routine, you just put a little bit here and there, massage your scalp and all of that. So you can never go wrong with massaging. If you want your hair to grow, you have to massage your hair daily. I'm going to, of course, section fingers, okay, and then apply. So now we're going to go into the scalp. You massage the product into your scalp. Section your hair, massage the product into every part of your scalp, guys. Every part of your scalp. Your hair needs this food. You shouldn't deprive it of this. If you're not using these products, you are depriving your hair of its food, guys. Massage, 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 massage. By the time you are done with this, you will need to wear a heat cap. So you can wear this overnight or within, say, 3 to 5 hours, probably when you're at home, just busy at home. Or you could just wear this overnight like I'm gonna do right now for the best effect. So by morning I'll be washing it off, of course, with our Chebe shampoo and Chebe conditioner. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sure you learned something today. See you next time, and please remember to subscribe. Bye.